I'm going to pick one piece of pastry and fold into half, just like that. This is going to guide me in cutting the rest of the pastry. So I'm going to follow the line and cut in half. Then I'm going to unfold the top one and repeat. Once done, I'm going to fold in quarter, just like that. And that will guide me in cutting into quarters. Unfold and repeat. So once done, this is how my samosa pastry is looking like. Just look at that. So I'm going to stack, place on top of the other stack, and place on top of the other stack. Just look at that.